Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can activate image stabilization in the Google Pixel Fold. First up, open the camera app, open the video section, and now when I'm shaking the phone without the video stabilization, as you can see the image is a little bit shaky. So if you want to get more smooth to your videos, tap on the arrow icon, choose settings, and slide down to the video. Now turn on the video stabilization. Go back to the go back to the camera, and now when you tap on this icon, as you can see, you have a few values of the video stabilization. So we can pick the active, for example. And now when I'm shaking the phone, as you can see, the image is very smooth and stable. And this is how it works. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.